Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, August 18th. We continue reading from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled The Unwatched Space. I tried so hard to please that I never realized no one is watching. I imagined, like everyone else at school, that my parents were sitting just out of view like those quiet doctors behind clean mirrors, watching and reprimanding my every move. As I reached adulthood, the habit continued. I walked around constantly troubled by what others must be thinking of what I was or wasn't doing. In this, we're burdened with the seeds of self-consciousness. From this, we trouble our spontaneity and the possibility of joy by watching ourselves too closely, nervously unsure if that is a mistake. It is from the burden of others watching and judging that the need to achieve gets exaggerated into the want for fame. I remember at different times fantasizing the future gathering like an audience, ready to marvel at how much I had done with so little. And it didn't even matter for what this attention come. Just let some form of watchfulness be approving, and I would know relief. It wasn't until I woke bleeding after surgery, with all those moth-like angels breathing against me, that I realized that the audience was gone. I cried way inside, not because I had just had a rib removed, and not because I was in the midst of battling cancer. I cried because I had not only been physically opened, but also opened beneath my sense of being watched. Somehow, the unwatched space was given air. Though I could explain it to no one, my sobs were sobs of relief, the water of a de-shelled spirit soaking ground. Years have passed, and I wait long hours in the sun to see the birch fall of its own weight into the lake, and it seems to punctuate God's mime. Nothing sad about it. Now the audience of watchers is gone, and I can feel life happen in its quiet, vibrant way without anything interfering. Now, sometimes at night, when the dog is asleep and the owl is beginning to stare into what no one ever sees, I stand on the deck and feel the honey of night spill off the stars. Feel it coat the earth, the trees, the minds of children half asleep. Feel the stillness evaporate all notion of fame into the unwatched space that waits for light. In this undistorted silence, the presence of God is a kiss. It is here, in this unwatched space, that peace begins. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath natural, nice and soft. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about your breathing. It is good enough. By the same token, there is nothing you need to change about yourself or about this moment. Everything is good enough, just the way it is. see if this reminder helps you touch a sense of spaciousness in your whole being. Enter a space of freedom in which all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Keep sitting quietly and breathe away the many eyes that seem to watch you. Breathe away the opinions of your co-workers and friends that you think they have about you. Focus on the unwatched space within, and breathe away the judging eye of your parents or grandparents that you keep so alive in you. Inhale from this unwatched space and breathe away even your dreams of recognition and fame. Feel the attention of life connect you to everything in the space that nobody is watching. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this deep and beautiful reflection. And as always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.